About this item: fast charge QC 3.0 and data transfer etguuds USB to USB-C cord supports QC 3.0 fast charge and sync fast data transfer. Max current is 3A. Speed of data transfer up to 480 Mbps. Standard 5.6K Omega pull-up resistor provides a safer charging current. It can prolong the usage life. Durable and heavy-duty integral seamless stretch process, high pressure resistance. Aluminum alloy shell by micro-arc oxidation process makes the shell surface harder and more wearable. Nylon braided with a tested 10,000 plus bend lifespan, more durable with best price for long life usage. Reversible connector etguuds USB-C cable keeps up with the latest trend of USB interface. The user-friendly design allows you to plug into all USB Type-C compatible devices without worrying about the orientation of the port. PLS note: this is not micro port or iPhone port. Widely compatibility etguuds 10 feet USB Type-C cables, fast charging, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Plus Plus, 5G, S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, S8 Plus, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, Note 10, Note 10 Plus Plus, 5G, A10e, A20, A30, A40, SA50, A60, A70, A80, M30, SA9/9, SA9 Star, A8s, 2018. A6 SC9 C7 Pro C5 Pro LG G5 G6 G7 V40 V35